In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play VarianceChess.com. Chess.com offers much more than traditional chess. In addition to standard games, the platform includes a variety of creative and entertaining chess variants that introduce unique rules, new challenges, and different ways to enjoy the game. Whether you're interested in modes like Fog of War, 4-player chess, or other special variants, Chess.com makes it easy to access them and start playing within just a few moments. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the variants section and how to begin a game quickly and easily. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to explore the many alternative game modes available on the platform. To get started, open Chess.com and sign in to your account if necessary. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the left side of the page. You'll see a vertical navigation menu that contains several icons used to access different parts of the website. Look for the play icon, which is represented by a pawn chess piece. Move your mouse cursor over this icon without clicking it right away. When you hover over the icon, a menu will appear displaying several different play options available on Chess.com. From this menu, locate and select the variants option. Clicking this will take you to the dedicated variants lobby. This area serves as the central location for all of Chess.com's alternative game modes, making it easy to browse and choose the type of chess experience you're interested in trying. Once the variants lobby opens, look toward the right side of the screen. You'll find a list of available variants that you can explore. Take a moment to scroll through the options and review the different game modes that are available. Among the choices, you'll find popular variants such as Fog of War, 4-player chess, and several others designed to provide a fresh twist on traditional gameplay. When you find a variant that interests you, simply click on it to select it. After making your selection, you'll see a green play button associated with that game mode. Click the play button to continue. At that point, Chess.com will automatically begin searching for a random opponent who is also looking to play the same variant. Once a match is found, the game will start, allowing you to jump straight into the action and experience the unique rules and gameplay of your chosen variant. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can access the variants lobby, choose a game mode, and start playing against opponents from around the world. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,